We're standing in a 2022 XLR 29 QBX. This is a toy hauler, very lightweight, coming in right at 8,900 pounds and right around 37 feet. Perfect to tow and have all the room for your toys. So we're starting off here in the bedroom. Notice we got the camper queen bed. What I like about this bedroom is several things. You've got the dresser over here, lots of drawers. You've got one of my favorite parts, the little hideaway. It has a hanging rack for clothes and for bags for storage. It even has the paw mount right here, so you can hang that TV, slide it in, slide it out as you're traveling. We come through here to the bathroom. We got the sliding door, both entrances. There's a sliding door. We even have the sliding door for the shower. Lots of headroom as that ceiling barrels. Get the medicine cabinet, the sink, and the toilet. This unit is gonna have 1.5 baths. So we are standing in the full bath directly located by the bedroom. We're gonna come through here to the solar panel charger. This is how you're gonna control that solar panel, already installed up top for you. Come through here, second sliding door. We're in the living room kitchen. Notice the living room and kitchen is separate from the garage. Definitely something people like to see. We've got the Furrion appliances here in black. I love how they made use of all the space. You got cages here, tons of room. You've got that Furrion fireplace that puts out full heat. You've got the single bowl sink and the theater seat. Now, notice the theater seat is on the second side. One was in the bedroom, the second one's here. These are gonna recline, gives you plenty of room to kick back, and it's directly across from where you would mount that huge TV. So, for this toy hauler, let's make it into the garage and show you how awesome it is. So notice this is a 13-foot garage, 80 inches from side to side wide. In this Boost, you're gonna see a lot of things. First of all, you're gonna see this half bath. I love half baths. That gives me an extra place for the kids to wash up, use the bathroom without tracking through the camper. Notice it's got the collapsible door to give you some more space. Here we've got the table set up in the middle. Again, these come down, make couches during the day or lay flat at night. They directly connect together to the queen bed, also on top. So you can sleep several kids, a couple of adults. What I like about this Boost, it comes with a Furrion package. All the appliances are Furrion, including the 2 ACs that come standard on this unit. So we're gonna finish up here on the patio. Look at the nice large patio, extendable sides. It's gonna have plenty of room, blocking that dog, to give you a little bit of outdoor time, and of course, to give you room to put in all your toys. Notice the tie downs in the floor. This camper has a lot. So if you're in the market for a toy hauler, come down and see this 29 QBX Boost from XLR Adventure Camper Sales, Alamo, Kentucky.